I thought White Claw was a rapper.
What's up? Today we're brewing hard seltzer.
No one's ever done this before. We invented this.
We are the first of our kind.
It's carbonated alcohol water.
It's bold, it's refreshing, it's a Tahitian cabana.
It's gonna explode all over the place.
How did the idea for hard seltzer come to me?
I was at the club, I popped my collar, I popped my second collar, and I was going hard. I was dancing like a pilled out, sweaty shirt kid at Coachella. Dude, I was hitting it like a techno Viking king at the German parade. I was going too hard, in fact, because I threw up on myself. They asked me to leave. Okay, fine, I'll go. Pretty sure I left on my own. They did make me leave my drink, but what they couldn't take from me was the lingering taste of vodka soda throw up that was still in my mouth. And it was hitting the spot. I was like, yo, this is good. And at that moment right there, the idea for hard seltzer was born. A little bit of bubbly, a hint of sweetness combined with artificially flavored, regurgitated acidity. That is exactly what this world needs.
Making hard seltzer is super easy.
There's literally very little cost involved in making it.
If you can boil water, you can make hard seltzer.
The profit margin has to be astronomical.
The first step is to add 5 gallons of reverse osmosis or distilled water to our kettle. The reason we use reverse osmosis or distilled water is because tap water has minerals in it that might cause your seltzer to become cloudy or even start tasting like white wine.
Two things you want to make sure stay clear. 1, your seltzer. 2, your pee. Oh, goodness.
Next, we're going to add 3 grams each of calcium chloride and gypsum.
Just add a little bit of flavor because RO water doesn't have any minerals.
Next, we're going to add 5 pounds of corn sugar to our water. So now we will give it a little stir. Our next step is to heat to a gentle boil for about 10 minutes.
Cowabunga.
We're flavoring our hard seltzer after fermentation and carbonation.
How are we flavoring it?
We're gonna flavor it with Jewel Pods.
Jewel flavoring.
It's Jewel
juice.
liquid Jewel Pods.
We're gonna flavor the seltzer with flavor extract from Olive Nation.
Make sure to watch till the end to figure out which flavor is the best. You also might see Emmett White Claw wasted.
Hey, I missed the start of the brew day. I had to go get fitted for a suit. You know, I like to stay looking sharp. My arms are longer than my legs. I'm a knuckle dragging homunculus. The dude took the tape measure out and measured me up. He was like, bro, your arms are longer than you are tall.
So we've been boiling our water for about 10 minutes. We're now going to kill the heat and we're going to add our yeast nutrient and stir it up. Get out of here. The reason we're using a yeast nutrient in our hard seltzer, everyone watch your hands, watch your hands.
Danger, danger.
Is because when we brew beer, the grain has plenty of nutrients to help the yeast ferment.
Yeast cannot survive on Fun Dip alone. You can't just mix up some pixie sticks and water and dump some yeast in it and what, make like...
Dude, that's a good
Pixie
idea. Let's do that.
How nutritious is this yeast nutrient?
Quite nutritious, I would say. There's nothing good for the yeast to eat in our sugar water, which is why we're adding the nutrient. So I have added the yeast nutrient and I'm gonna give it a little stir before we chill it down.
We're gonna set this up kettle out. Chiller out. Pump on. Yep. There we go.
So we're just chilling to 85.
My dream scenario for drinking a hard seltzer is probably on Panama City Beach in Florida on spring break in 2008.
Tuesday morning, you wake up hungover, you gotta get to work, you don't wanna smell like whiskey. You drink a little bit of one of our hard seltzers, gives you enough energy to get to work without smelling like booze, keeps the shakes away. That's probably the best time to drink it.
Let's take a reading. Do you hear it? It's singing.
It's 10:38, that's what we got.
Salty sugar water, just like Mom used to make.
So our real final step is adding this
Kvike?
kvack yeast.
So let me get this straight, Rachel.
Yeah,
You're gonna take this yeast and you're gonna throw it right into the kettle
yeah, I sure am.
and it's gonna ferment in the kettle.
You're going to set your controller to about 85 degrees and ferment in the kettle for 1 to 2 days before transferring to your keg.
We're using a Hornindal yeast, which ferments super fast if you ferment it warm, so.
Just set the controller, let it do its thing. It'll maintain the fermentation temperature for as long as you want.
How easy is it to make hard seltzer?
Well, I was slacklining for most of the recipe brew day today, but it seemed pretty easy. We brewed it Wednesday, it sat over the weekend. We kegged it early the following week. We left it sit for a few days. Cold crashed, looking pretty good. It's done fermenting, went down below 1. It's pretty clear. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Naked seltzer.
Sugar booze.
Nude.
It tastes like, kind of like a Sprite almost.
This is nice straight up, honestly.
Yeah.
So you can drink your seltzer with ice or without. I'm thinking, you know, it's meant to be cool and refreshing, so why not add ice? We put anywhere between half a milliliter and 1 milliliter in each glass of 100 milliliters of seltzer. We've gone metric all of a sudden. Ready to go down to Flavortown?
Yeah, man.
Do it.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So what's for breakfast?
Not as good as plain.
I'm getting high school screwdriver vibes.
Yeah.
Mostly vodka,
Yeah.
a little bit of orange
That's
juice.
it.
Yeah.
High school, I was a late bloomer. I was very developmentally delayed. I was 23 by the time I was a sophomore in high school. That's what I mean by that. Mango.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I don't know.
It tastes like a distillery smells.
I find it kind of like bitter, like kind of.
Grabbing the hammer.
Oh,
All right.
go nuts.
Doesn't feel like the way.
That doesn't seem right.
Oh my god.
You almost got some in your mouth, Ross.
I think so.
Tastes like sunscreen smells.
Oh God.
SPF yum.
I mean, when I smell it, I'm transported to a tropical paradise. When I taste it, I'm transported to the dumpster behind the KFC where I'm puking. Yum.
Hell yeah.
That's decent. Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
You got a decent amount of lime with just a touch of diabetes. This is my favorite so far.
Smells like instant lemonade mix.
It staves off scurvy.
Something floating in my cup.
If you want to have any more seltzer, you're going to have to eat all your pie. Here comes the pie train into the pie hole. Come on, pile. Here. Good. Oh.
That's probably the most pungent yet.
I can taste it through my nose.
Smell it with your mouth. You can, like, if you were to.
I think this might kill me if I drink it. That's not bad, actually.
Dillard's perfume counter.
How can I help you?
It tastes like when you open a box of Connects that hasn't been opened for a while. Fragrant plastic.
All right, here we go. Nothing like burying your face in a juicy peach. I like it, actually.
I like that the most, maybe, out of all of them. If you plug your nose while you drink it, it's yummy.
We're halfway through. You'll know we're done when like two of us are wrestling over there in the suns. This is blueberry.
Oh.
It smells like Hostess blueberry muffins. Oh my god.
That's bad. Those muffins aren't even good. That's a lot.
No, that's horrible. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, next, cherry. Oh gosh. I don't like it
bad.
already, the color, man.
Is this the only one that's had color to it?
Yeah, everything else has been clear. New contender right here.
Really?
This is decent.
Okay.
Dimetab. I like Dimetab, so.
I agree. Contender.
I'm not offended.
I'm gonna say I actually like this.
Leaps and bounds ahead of everything else. And
I agree, actually. I like this one the best so far. Oh.
She likes it.
I was gonna say it tastes like grandma's kitchen, but it might taste like grandma's kitchen floor or grandma's garbage disposal.
Tastes exactly like a green Jolly Rancher.
Do you like it?
No, I don't like it.
Honestly, I don't mind this one. It has a Jolly Rancher vibe to it, and I don't dislike it.
I think the last two might be the most interesting. We got marshmallow and banana.
Why would they make a marshmallow flavoring? Oh!
I am starting to feel like I've been sitting here drinking seltzer for a while.
Yeah.
New favorite.
The Oracle has spoken.
I got trapped in a wardrobe and now I'm in Banarnia.
This is great.
It's pretty good, man. It's got real banana flavor.
So for our final tasting, we have marshmallow.
That's not the sweet marshmallow I know and love.
My marshmallows have betrayed me. I do not like.
Kind of tastes like when you're done with Lucky Charms and there's just milk left in the bowl and then you drink the milk and then it has that sort of marshmallowy taste to it.
I'm gonna say that's a positive review then.
That sounds like
That's
a great
pretty
experience.
Great experience.
Having a nice time.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny. So good. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh, snap.
What is this, dude?
I brought my own.
Contraband.
like a
It's
dude
contraband.
We're gonna flavor it with Jewel Pods.
Jewel flavoring?
It's Jewel.
It's
It's
Jewel
Jewel
juice.
liquid Jewel packs. Tastes like Gatorade. My favorite was unflavored.
I'm gonna say banana was my favorite.
I'll go cherry.
Russ is gonna go
I'm
cherry.
gonna go banana.
Rachel.
I think I'm tied between banana and cherry, but those two were definitely the top.
If you want to learn more about how to make this recipe and many others, go to our website, climbsupply.com. Don't drink the pee.